All right, here I had a 2014 370Z, and I was having problems with the washer nozzles, like not spraying any washer fluid. And I could hear like the pump going. So I thought it was either like a broken line, but there was like no leaks. So what I ended up doing is here on the passenger side, under the hood, I disconnected the line that was coming from the pump, and then I sprayed, and then there was water coming out of there. So that told me there was something wrong with the nozzle itself. So what I did was I just kind of put like one of these vacuum line, like plastic vacuum connectors, uh, and then I sprayed again, and then there was water coming out of the driver's side. So that told me that it was just a problem with the passenger side one. And then this is the part number for the passenger side one. And the way you take it off is basically you use one of these like plastic tool clips, and then you just pry it off. All right. And then here's the new one installed, and there is an adjustment with the new one. The new one comes with a key, and you basically have to turn it, the front of it, until there's like the spray. Basically, the spray comes out the way you like it. All right, this is kind of what it looks like. As you can see here, it kind of has tabs at the top, at the bottom of it. This is kind of a closer look to it. So yeah, if you're gonna put a new one, you can just pry it off. And then there's the one on the driver's side. As you can see, the back of it is kind of different as compared to the passenger side. So make sure you get the correct one. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, and maybe I could try to help you out.